Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at PC Makeover. Today we're going to be checking out 36 tornadoes. Who were you thinking of? So without further ado, let's get started.
Who were you thinking of when we were making love last night? Was it a good-looking stranger or a close friend of mine? You didn't want to quit when we was into it last night. Who were you thinking of when we were loving last night? Who were you thinking of when I was making love to you? There was a smile on your face, I ain't seen it some time. You didn't out of it, then I put into it last night. Who were you thinking of when we were loving last night? Oh, squeeze it, man.
Imagine your partner asking you this, and not just a question, you're singing about this.
Who were you thinking of when we were making love last night? Was it a smile on your face? I ain't seen it some time. You didn't wanna quit when we was into it last night. Who were you thinking of when we were loving last night? Who were you thinking of when we were making love last night? Was it a good-looking stranger or a close friend of mine? You got me wrong to quit when we got into it last night. Who were you thinking of when we were loving last night? Who were you thinking of when we were loving last night? Cha-cha-cha!
I love the way they ended.
Thank you!
That was so nice. This is a beautiful performance. I just hope like it's just a lyrics. It's not something that any of them experience, because it would be sad to be having an intimate moment with your partner and you can tell or feel like they have someone else in mind. That would be a very sad moment for anyone to experience. So I just hope it's just what it is, a song, and not something you're singing out of experience. But do let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.